Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Joy-Con 2 into pairing mode. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you want to go ahead and put your Joy-Con into pairing mode so that you can connect more controllers to your Nintendo Switch 2. How do you actually go ahead and do this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is let's actually go ahead and navigate to where it says controllers. And let's remove our Joy-Cons from the Nintendo Switch 2. So go ahead and click on change grip and order. So in order to actually go ahead and put your Joy-Con into pairing mode, you're going to see this dot or button right over here. You want to press and hold this dot and then wait until it starts to flash green. So as you can see, that flashing green where the green squares light up and down, that means that it's been placed into pairing mode. So let's go ahead and actually connect this remote. And then for this controller here, we're going to do the same thing. So this one also has a dot. Press and hold it until it lights up green. And then now it's in pairing mode. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and put the Joy-Con 2 sticks into pairing mode. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.